Happy Day, children. Our transdisciplinary theme is how we express ourselves. It is an inquiry into the ways in which we discover and express ideas, feelings, nature, culture, beliefs, and values, the ways in which we reflect on, extend, and enjoy our creativity, our appreciation of the aesthetic. Our central idea is stories develop skills and values in humans to become responsible learners. Lines of inquiry is pictures created in our minds when we experience stories. In our visual art, we are going to draw the character of Rapunzel. So what is character drawing? It is a sketch devoted to an analysis or representations of a character, especially of peculiar, eccentric or strongly marked individuality, or to a description stressing the character of a place. Right? So our character is Rapunzel. If you don't know the story of Rapunzel, you can ask your parents to show a video of this story. In this activity, our key concepts are causation, responsibility, and perspective. So, can we start our character drawing? First, we will give the head part, and that is with the hairs. And after that, the shoulders and the hand. Kindly observe the video twice so that it will be easy for you to follow up. And then the body part with the other hand. Rapunzel is wearing a long frock gown, and this is why we are also drawing the same in our artwork. And then the drawing and adding up the hand and the dress. As she wears long frock, we are also drawing the same. And finally drawing her long hairs and adding up little design in her dress. We have given an outline with a sketch pen, but for the face we will use a pen. Rapunzel is the story of a young girl of exquisite beauty who has been imprisoned from birth by a cruel witch. Her only connection to the outside world is her unforgettably long hair, brown hair, which she flings out her lofty window at the beckon of a nocturnal suitor. Right? And the same here, we are also drawing the long hairs of a Rapunzel. Once we finish drawing, we will start coloring it. The first thing we are going to color is her beautiful hair with a dark yellow shade. we have finished the coloring of hair. Now we'll start coloring her dress. Here I have given violet color shade in the lines and then giving a dark pink in the dress. For the dress, first we'll give the light shade in her shoulder sleeves and the top, and for the skirt we'll add up the dark shade. Rapunzel is loosely based on the fairy tale about Rapunzel, which takes place in Germany. Once we finish giving the dark pink color shade, we'll add up with violet color. The designs are left white color so that near the design we'll give little dark shade. And finally coloring our shoes. And in the violet shade we have added in the dress and the stripes in the dress. Now finally coloring our color of Rapunzel. For that I am using a red color in which I am using a very light value of the color. When we use the light red color shade, we have to see that it mingles nicely, and for that we will just rub it with our finger and then giving red color lips and blue color eyes. You have to dark color for the eyes, and then final with the dress and the color of lace. In this activity you can even draw any of the character which you like in the story. Even you have read some books and that characters also you can draw. So, in this activity, our approaches to learning is that we are developing our thinking skills, communication skills, and social skills. Thinking skills is developing by making an idea of our own and creating in our stories. Communication skills is where it enhances our ideas into our drawing. And the social skills giving the awareness of the story. So our learner profile attributes are communicators, balanced and principled. Here our learning outcome is we express thoughts in actions, pictures or words, convey a value or moral through fun and enjoyment. Once you finish your work, take a pic of it and upload it. Thank you, children.